Vision. Vision, physiological process of distinguishing, usually by means of an organ such as the eye, the shapes and colors of objects. See eye, photoreception. Visual perception is the ability to interpret the surrounding environment using light and the visual spectrum reflected by the objects in the environment. The resulting perception is also known as visual perception, eyesight, sight or vision, adjective form, visual, optical or occlusal. The visual physiological components involved in vision are referred to collectively as the visual system, are the focus of much research in linguistics, psychology, cognitive science, neuroscience and molecular biology. Collectively referred to as vision science. Meaning, the faculty or state of being able to see. Can you define vision? The act or power of sensing with the eyesight. Visual system. Eye, image formation, photo transduction, visual pathway, transmission of nerve impulses. Visual cortex, occipital lobe of cerebral cortex, primary visual receiving area. Look at this, anatomy of eye. See the picture. Pupil, cornea, aqueous humor, iris, lens, vitreous humor, macula, retina, retinal pigment epithelium, choroid, optic nerve. This is optic disc, sclera. These are the important parts of eyes responsible for vision. Process of vision. Look at this flow chart. Light stimuli to cornea, cornea to pupil, pupil to lens, iris adjust the lens according to light. More light contract, less light dilate. Look at this retina. Then light enter into retina through vitreous humor and reach into optic disc. There happen transduction. Photo energy into electrical energy, neuroelectrical energy. Then optic nerve to brain. Look at this brain, occipital lobe, sense of seeing in the lobe. Explanation: light energy passes through the cornea, lens, transparent tissue, ciliary muscles, contraction and expansion. Iris regulate the size of pupil. 120 million photoreceptor cells. Two types of cells, rods and cones. Rods highly sensitive, usually to night vision. Physiology of sight. Look at this flow chart. Light absorption by photopigments in rods and cones. Look at this in retina. Chemical reaction. Decreased transmitter release. Bipolar cell responses. Ganglion cell responses. The nerve impulses in optic nerve fiber. Look at this. Then reach into optic nerve to occipital lobe and sense of seeing. Picture. Left eye, right brain. Right eyes, left brain. Look at this optic chiasm, optic tract, optic nerves. This picture, image, light, cornea, pupil, into lens, iris adjust it. Retina, having cones and rods and receive stimuli in reverse form. Look at this reverse form, and after optic nerve and transduction become normal image. So this is eye muscle to adjusting the eye to better seeing. Look at this picture, image in reverse in form. See the picture. Left eyes, right eyes, optic nerves. So this is a place. Optic chiasm. Transfer to right to left. The fibers from each nasal hemiretina, deconcentration or crossover in the optic chiasm. Look at this optic tract, lateral geniculate nucleus, optic radiations. Look at this an occipital lobe, then visual cortex. This is also in occipital, visual cortex, sense of seeing. What is color vision? Hue, dimension of color, complementary hue, yellow and blue, brightness, amplitude, height of the wave, saturation, two color but same brightness. Color blindness, unable to see any color. Test of color blindness by pseudo isochromatic plates, PIP, is Carrier test. This pseudo isochromatic plates are available here. Look at this. We can test ourselves whether having color blindness or not. By using these plates, PIP. Theories of color vision. First theory, Young-Helmholtz theory. The fact that every Q can be described in the terms of relative quantities of red, green and blue light required to produce it. Second theory, evolved hearing. Three opponent part system. They are yellow, blue, red, green, white, black. Blind spot. What do you think about blind spot? It is the place in the visual field that corresponds to the lack of light detecting photoreceptor cells on the optic disc of the retina. A part of the field of vision is not perceived. Look at this blind spot. Look at this picture. Look at this picture. We can test and see our blind spot by using this picture. Just close your left eyes and see the cross. We could not see the black spot. That spot is called blind spot. Previously we had seen that blind spot of right eye. Now we are going to test the blind spot of left eye. Just close the right eye and see the cross. We could not see the black spot. That spot is called blind spot of left eye. What do you think about dark adaptation? Definition: they reflects adaptation of the eye to dim light, consisting of a dilatation of the pupil and an increase in the number of functioning rods accompanied by a decrease in the number of functioning cones. If one moves from a brightly lighted room into a dimly lighted room, retina slowly becomes more sensitive to light. Pupil dilate to capture more light into the retina. This decline in visual threshold is called dark adaptation. What is light adaptation? The reflex adaptation of the eye to bright light, consisting contraction of pupil, an increase in the number of functioning cones, accompanied by a decrease in the number of functioning rods. The adjustment of the eye under increased illumination, in which the sensitivity to light is reduced, also called photopic adaptation. Abnormal vision. Refractive errors. Myopia. If the incoming light from a far away object focus before it gets to the back of the eye, refractive error is called myopia or nearsightedness. Two, hyperopia, farsightedness. Three, astigmatism, no distinct point of focus inside the eye, spread out focus. Four, presbyopia, caused by loosening of flexibility of crystalline lens. Look at this picture. Normal eye, light rays focus on the retina. Myopia, light rays focus on front of the retina. Look at this. Astigmatism, light rays focus on more than one point, unequal refraction of light in different meridians. Look at this. 1, 2. Hypermetropia, light rays focus behind the retina. Look at this. Look at this picture. Light focus, nearsightedness, myopia. Look at this. Normal, emmetropia is normal focus light. Farsightedness, hyperopia, away from retina. Look at this. Eyeglass prescription. Look at this picture. Eyeglass prescriptions. This picture we can see in eye hospitals to prescribe for manage nearsightedness and farsightedness. One D, 2D, 3D. So it is a normal sight. Color perceived by color blindness. What is visual impairment? Visual impairment is often defined as a best corrected visual acuity of worse than either 20/40 or 20/60 in eyes prescription. Look at this, 40 and 60. Blindness. What do you mean by blindness? The term blindness is used for complete or nearly complete vision loss. Visual impairment may cause people difficulties with normal daily activities such as driving, reading, socializing, and walking. Levels of visual impairment. According to ICD-10, International Classification of Diseases, 1. Normal vision, 2. Moderate visual impairment, 3. Severe visual impairment, 4. Blindness. Types of blindness. First, transient blindness may occur on sudden exposure to darkness, bright light, blinding light. Light adaptation is equal to 5 minutes. Second, transient monocular blindness associated with an increased risk of subsequent stroke. 3. Night blindness, only in night due to vitamin deficiency, vitamin A deficiency. 4. Color blindness, cannot see colors. 5. Total blindness, nothing to vision. 6. Visual field contraction blindness due to physiological factors. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.